Withdrawing money from Hamster Kombat to Ton Wallet is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can withdraw money from Hamster Kombat to Ton Wallet. Well, the process is pretty simple. For that, what you have to do is you just have to open up your Hamster Kombat, and then you have to make sure you have installed the Tone Keeper app. If you haven't, just go to Google or App Store, install it, just search for Tone Keeper. As you can see, if I search for Tone Keeper, you can actually install it. After installing it, you just have to, create a wallet right here. After creating the wallet, you just have to go to your Hamster Combat, tap on this airdrop icon, which should be in the top right, bottom right. Now, as you can see, if I tap on that, you will be able to see connect your Tone wallet. If you tap on that, what it will do is it will give you some sort of link. You just have to open up your link, and then what it will do is it will open up your Tone wallet, and your Tone wallet will automatically be connected to Hamster wallet. Now, if you talk about the withdrawing will only be possible when the Hamster Combat coin is actually released. The coin is yet to release, so the coin does not have any real value. However, when the coin will have value, you will be able to withdraw it into any of the exchanges as well, including Binance or Ton Wallet as well. So that's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this today.